Power target trades. Power trigger trade.
All right, I got a long-term plan here for CREE. CREE is set up to test 60 to 65. The March 15, 50 calls could be used. Yeah, so this plan here, you want to give it some time. This is more of a longer-term plan, but can make some really great gains because this is this history of how the stock kind of moves. But now it's set up in an alignment way where it's really high odds if it can confirm that it will test 60 to 65 longer term, right? So before we do that, so these are the options I'm talking about now. This is the way they kind of close these funny. This is the price is $273 per option, but they ask us $515. So it could have had some sort of a funny close. However, the options are probably close to more to the price of the close over here. Again, you have to check on Monday what the price of the options are, but these are the ones that I'm going to focus on, the 50 calls, because they will make 200-300% gains longer term. You know, we're talking about 3 weeks, 1 month hold. It really depends, and I have to make analysis, right? I kind of have to do some coaching in this. So CREE needs to, I will explain inside the video. Yeah, so before we get into this, I'm going to be talking about the confirmation inside of Power Group trades. Okay, so again, this is more of a long-term plan where we can make some great gains, right? And I focus on high quality, high probability setups. Okay, all my plans are designed to make us great gains. Okay, we've been making great gains in January in a stock like, for example, BA, and in order to make great gains of multiple winning plans, so far 3 winning plans. The last one, 300% gains in BA. I'm going to link that video. I'm going to link that inside this video. Let me show you how to get inside a Power Group trades, though, by the way. All right, people, welcome to Power Trigger Trade. Confirmation is key. That's right, people. So listen up. See this pin tweet? You want to click on the video and study what it says. It explains how to become a member inside of Power Group trades. Okay. I post great advice for free with management in there, and people send me gifts. Find out why people send me gifts. Find out what is special about my group, right? And it's really very visual, right? So basically, you go to my YouTube channel here. Let's go to get together to my YouTube channel. Let's go together, people. YouTube channel, I have it set up. Basically, what you want to do is study this created playlist. You can see here's the BA plan right over here, right? So if you go to my created playlist, but I'll put it up there as well as a link. You want to study my created playlist. It's going to be very helpful, okay? And again, listen to the video to explain how to become a member inside of Power Group trades. A lot of, like, if you go to my website over here, let's go together to my website over here. Here's my website. You should see this video here, Google Help. Again, I received a $1,000 gift as an example for this plan. Just check it out for yourself. 600% gains. Listen, people, we focus on quality. There isn't anybody out there. You've got to listen. You have to put in the work. You have to be paying attention to the market. Okay. Well, my group helps you become the best version of yourself. You're led from a professional who understands that you've got to put work into the market, right? You've got to have vision, and you want to. What I do is I focus on quality, right, to increase our odds, not quantity. You see, high win rates are achieved by focusing on quality setups. There are services out there posting picks and 20. They don't go into their every plan that I talk about. I go into. I want to make the dollar bills just like my group, right? So we I know about the losses and the gains, and the gains always destroy the losses by a large margin. Okay. So find out, get yourself into Power Group trades. At the end of the video, you're going to see a picture of me right over here in a circle format. Simply click on it. It's going to give you easy way to subscribe. I'll see you on the other side.
Power target trades. Power trigger trade.